What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth coming at you guys to show you how I make some ornaments to go on my tree. I'm going to use these popsicle sticks, what I got a long time ago, y'all. Half the stuff I'm using in these last two videos, I've been had this stuff, so I didn't spend hardly no money on my Christmas ornament. So I'm just showing you the size of these popsicle sticks, and I cut them a little bit to make it a little bit longer. I mean, a little bit shorter than what it was, and also to have something to close in the hook together. Y'all don't worry about my hands, y'all. I've been painting and working, so it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going to use these ornament hooks again that I used on my previous video. If y'all did not watch that video, go back and watch it, y'all. Showing y'all how to make Christmas balls. So this is the ornament hooks right here. I got 150 packs, still that same pack. I bought 2 packs of them, so I had like 300. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hook, and I am going to get the smallest end of the hook and put it on that side of the stick. And I'm going to use hot glue. And once I put the hot glue on, I'm just going to use that little small bead of hot glue. I'm not trying to use like too much, because I don't want this project to take me too long. So what I did was I just smeared it around in there a little bit, and then I'm just going to use that little piece I cut. And mainly I cut that piece so I could have something to hold the hook on with, because if not, it would have just been there with just the naked glue on it. So that's just pretty much to hide the hook, okay? So because without that, it probably wouldn't have held properly without one big blob of glue on it. So I just cut a little piece to hold the ornament hook, okay, y'all? So now all I did, you got to hold it tight together, because if I held it tight, if I let it go, it wasn't dry. So I just held it tight until I felt like it had a grip. Now I have these pieces that I cut shorter. I did some longer and some shorter, but the same process goes for each. So I just added a little bit of glue to that spot where it was going to hold the hook at. And I just smeared it around so that way some of the glue could get on top of the hook. So when I press the wood piece down, I would get a good fit. Okay. So now it didn't matter to me how, big each popsicle stick was, because I just randomly cut them with some scissors, and they didn't all end up the same exact height to match each other at the top or the bottom or whatever. But in hindsight, looking at this one, what I just did, y'all, I should have put the glue all the way down so the wood could stick at the bottom. I forgot to do that. So I should have just put the glue all the way down to stick at least a little line, so the wood won't flap open. You feel me? So now I'm just showing y'all what I did to the big stick, and that is it. So I'm going to do this to all the rest of the sticks. And what I'm doing here now, child. Oh, I think I'm showing y'all what I just said. Like, I should have put the glue on top of on the whole stick. See how I run it down like that there? Okay, now, child. Okay. So I'm going to put the stick right there, because I noticed that I'm like, oh man, I forgot I should have put that glue all the way down so the popsicle stick could have held itself together. But now I was trying to be grown and thought I was showing y'all something. But this how it go for real. Okay, you put it down the whole stick. Now on the long one, I ain't had to put it down the whole one because it was a short piece. Just put it down the length of the shortest piece, okay? So that's how I got that. And make sure you squeeze it together tightly. I squeezed it together enough so that way it could dry. This glue be hot too, y'all. Don't burn my finger. And just rub the excess glue off. That's it. And that's all, y'all. Okay. So I'm just rubbing the excess glue off of here and making sure I'm holding it tight so that way when I let it go, it won't pop apart, but I want it to be together firmly. So I might want to use these next year. Okay, y'all, because I'm making these now, which is a lot, because I could have made them last year, y'all know, but I ain't had no tree up since 2017. Whew, y'all, let me tell y'all, honey, the Lord been working with me, baby, because I was dealing with depression and going through chemotherapy, being diagnosed with cancer. It was a lot of reasons why I was just in a depressed mode and was not feeling the Christmas spirit. But guess what? I'm here this year. Thank God I'm here. There's been a lot of people who lost a lot of loved ones. Y'all, my heart goes out to y'all. This Christmas is a different Christmas, y'all. 2020 done wore a lot of us out, a whole lot of us. So right here, I'm showing y'all where It ain't even yet. It ain't even the popsicle stick, but I'm squeezing it hard so it'll keep that hook on there, okay? Because I'm gonna be gluing some jewels on there, all right? So now, and once you get through doing all of that, take them out the dough, and I spray painted them, okay? Spray painted them with the same silver spray paint that I used for the balls, okay, y'all? Y'all see the balls up there? Go back and check out my last video if y'all didn't see me do the DIY on how to make your own Christmas balls, Christmas ornaments, or whatever you want to call them. And that's what those balls for. So go back and look at my other video, okay? All right. Okay, so now with these popsicle sticks, I just sprayed them one layer. Then I waited. Okay, I waited till they dried. Like the balls here, I waited till they dried on the opposite side. Then I flipped them over. And then I came back and sprayed them on the opposite side. So I'm going to do the same thing with the popsicle sticks, okay? It's a little dent in that ball up there. Some of those balls did that, but don't worry, I just threw them away. It was only 2 that didn't act right. Two out of 85, 90 balls I had, I believe. Okay, so I'm just giving these another little light spray on the same side. I didn't flip them over yet. Then I'm going to wait till they dry. And then I'm going to come back outside and I'm going to flip them back over. And then once I flip them back over, I'm going to spray the other side. Okay. So now came back in the house, y'all. Now I done laid the little crystals, the little jewels, beads, marbles, whatever you want to call them. I just laid them on there and got an eyeball of what I really wanted to do with them. Okay. I just laid them on there first. Then after I laid them on there, I hot glued them on there with the hot glue gun. Okay. I don't know how this clip got before the other clip, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not finna change it, baby. Okay. But it's what the little short ones look like. Okay. So next one, I got the long ones. And for the long ones, I put a flower at the top. Okay. Just like that. Just hot glued the flower on, and that was just to hide the little piece of that popsicle stick too on that top one that that piece of popsicle stick that I had. You know, the little short piece, I was trying to camouflage it, so I put a flower there. That's why I did that. Okay, y'all, so here is how I did it, even though I just told y'all, but now I'm finna show y'all. I went to the Dollar Tree, I got a little thing of flowers, and it had like 8 flowers on each little bunch. And I cut it off, cut the little tip off the back. I pulled the flower off the stem, then I cut the tip off the back of the flower because it sticks out just a little bit. So you have to cut the little green piece off and use the hot glue gun and press it. You got to press it down with all your might, okay? All your little Superman strength. Push it down and hold it so until it feels secure, okay? Now, once you get them all secure, that's what they look like. Now, you want to line your little beads up and then get an eye for it. Don't just go randomly gluing unless you just good like that. Just get an eye for what you know what I'm saying? What you want to, how you want to decorate your stuff first. Don't just go, if you doing any bling out ideas or something like this, something, you know, small like this, don't just go for starting to put the glue on it because it might not come out the way you visioned it. So what I recommend is you put it on there first and get an idea of what it gonna look like when you get through. And then once you lay it all down there and get it figured out in your head, okay, then you go back and glue, okay? That's the best way to, so you won't make too many mistakes. Because I done made so many mistakes before. Even though this ain't even no, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no major project. This just something just to go on my tree, and it don't even much matter because it's going on a Christmas tree, and it's gonna be so much junk on the tree, baby. You ain't gonna even see these nowhere unless you just sit there and stare at the tree for a hot 30 minutes for real. But this is what I'm doing for my tree. This year I just want to. It's been a while, so I say let me make some ornaments for my own tree, okay? So that's what I did. I just wanted to do something anyway. I was bored. And these projects didn't cost me no money. Only thing I went and bought this time is the flowers. And I went and bought the balls for $10. You get the ball for $10 from Walmart you get 100. But I had bought mine out the Facebook Marketplace, and I don't think that lady gave me like 85, 90 balls. So anyhow, I done glued them on there. So that's what they look like. These are the longer sticks, right? So the sticks I was showing y'all the first time was the shorter sticks. So this is what they look like. Once they glued on, so it helps so much better once you just lay them on and get an eyeball or whatever figure, whatever I'm trying to say. Y'all know, whatever. Y'all, I'm so country, man. I can't even get my words out sometimes. But this how they look, y'all. Okay, and this how the short ones look. The short one didn't get no flowers. And this is it, y'all. What my flowers look like. I guess you can call them icicles, flower sticks, popsicle sticks, whatever with the bling bling, okay? And that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go hang these on the tree, and y'all will see that in the next video. I will appreciate y'all. Well, I do appreciate y'all for watching. That's all I got to say, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye. Y'all just keep watching the video till it go off, okay? All right, then. I'm gone. It's gonna end one day. I guess it head go. Head go. Not yet. Hold on, y'all. Stay right there. All right. All right. Bye, y'all.